Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a timer to your Google form. Google Forms by default does not provide this feature, so we'll be using the Extended Forms add-on. First, open your Google form. Click on the three-dot menu. Select Get Add-ons from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type in Extended Forms. Install this extension. Next, select your Google account. Then, click Continue. When prompted, grant the necessary permissions to access your form. Click Done. Close this add-on window. After installation, you'll see Extended Forms under the Add-ons menu. Click Add-ons, then select Extended Forms. From the pop-up menu, select Configure. A panel will appear on the right side. Wait for it to load. Turn it on to connect. If you see any notice, fix it first before moving on to the next steps. Here you can set the timer duration, attempt limit, and other settings. You can set your time, how many attempts are allowed, and the Auto Submit option. Finally, click Save. Once configured, your form will automatically connect to Extended Forms. One important thing to remember is that you must share the Extended Forms link, not your regular Google form share link. Now click Preview to test it. This is the landing page your viewers will see. All the necessary information will be displayed here. If they click Get Started, the exam will begin. At the top of your form, you'll see the timer running. Once they answer all the questions and submit the form, you'll be able to see the responses here. You can view analytics and manage responses from the form dashboard. From there, you can delete submissions, stop accepting new responses, or share the form link. That's it. You've successfully added a timer to your Google form using Extended Forms. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.